Hi guys, if you want to buy the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20 and Omni S2 bundle, make sure to check out the purchase link available in the description below. The smart home industry has evolved dramatically over the past few years, and one of the categories that has benefited the most from innovation is robotic cleaning. Products that once seemed like futuristic gadgets have now become practical household tools capable of handling everyday cleaning with minimal user involvement. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20 and Omni S2 bundle, a premium cleaning solution that aims to redefine what a robot vacuum can do. From the moment you unbox the system, it's clear that Eufy designed this bundle with convenience and performance in mind. The robots feature a sleek and modern appearance that complements contemporary home interiors, while the docking stations deliver a premium look that feels more like a smart appliance than a simple charging base. Getting started is incredibly easy. The setup process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible even for people who have never owned a robot vacuum before. After connecting the vacuum to the companion application, the system begins scanning and mapping your home. Within minutes, it creates a detailed digital layout of your living space, accurately identifying rooms, pathways, and obstacles. One of the most impressive aspects of this system is its intelligent navigation technology. Instead of moving randomly around the house, the robot follows optimized cleaning patterns designed to maximize coverage and efficiency. The result is a more thorough cleaning experience while minimizing wasted movement and battery consumption. When it comes to vacuuming performance, the Eufy Omni C20 and Omni S2 deliver outstanding results. Equipped with powerful suction technology, these robots effectively capture dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris from a variety of floor surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tile, laminate, or carpets, the system adapts automatically to provide optimal cleaning power. For households with pets, this feature becomes especially valuable. Pet owners know how quickly fur can accumulate on floors, furniture, and rugs. The Eufy cleaning system is designed to tackle pet hair efficiently, helping maintain a cleaner living environment while reducing the need for constant manual vacuuming. Another area where this bundle truly excels is floor mopping. Many robot vacuums include basic mopping features, but Eufy's approach feels significantly more advanced. The mopping system applies consistent pressure across hard surfaces while carefully managing water distribution. This helps remove footprints, light stains, dust residue, and everyday messes more effectively than traditional robot mop systems. The self-maintenance capabilities are among the biggest highlights of the Omni series. Instead of requiring users to empty dust bins after every cleaning session, the docking station automatically handles much of the maintenance process. Dust collection, mop cleaning, and preparation for future cleaning cycles are largely automated. This hands-free approach dramatically reduces the amount of attention the system requires. Obstacle detection and avoidance technology further enhance the user experience. Everyday household items such as shoes, charging cables, toys, and furniture legs can often cause problems for older robot vacuums. The Omni system uses advanced sensors to recognize and navigate around these obstacles, allowing cleaning sessions to continue with minimal interruptions. Battery performance is another strong point. The robot is capable of cleaning large sections of a home on a single charge, making it suitable for apartments as well as larger houses. If additional power is needed during operation, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging station, recharges itself, and then resumes cleaning from the exact point where it stopped. This seamless process ensures complete floor coverage without requiring user intervention. The companion mobile application adds another layer of convenience. Through the app, users can monitor cleaning progress in real time, create customized schedules, establish no-go zones, adjust cleaning intensity, and manage room-specific preferences. These controls provide flexibility that allows homeowners to tailor the cleaning experience according to their individual needs. One of the biggest advantages of investing in a system like this is the amount of time it can save. Cleaning floors is a task that must be repeated constantly, especially in busy households. By automating vacuuming and mopping duties, the Eufy Omni C20 and Omni S2 bundle helps reduce the workload associated with home maintenance, allowing users to focus on more important activities. The overall experience feels refined and polished. Every major feature, from navigation and suction performance to app integration and self-cleaning technology, works together to create a highly capable cleaning ecosystem. Rather than functioning as a simple robot vacuum, this bundle operates more like a complete floor care solution designed to maintain cleanliness with minimal effort. Of course, premium technology often comes with a higher price point, and this bundle is no exception. However, when you consider the advanced features, automation capabilities, cleaning performance, and convenience it offers, many users will likely find the investment worthwhile. Busy professionals, families, pet owners, and smart home enthusiasts are especially likely to appreciate what this system brings to the table. After spending time exploring everything this bundle has to offer, it's easy to see why Eufy continues to gain recognition in the smart home cleaning market. The combination of intelligent software, reliable hardware, powerful cleaning performance, and exceptional automation creates a product that stands out from many competing robot vacuum systems currently available. If you're looking for a premium robot vacuum and mop combination that can intelligently clean your home, maintain itself, and significantly reduce your daily cleaning responsibilities, the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20 and Omni S2 bundle deserves serious consideration. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more product reviews and technology content, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this cleaning system, make sure to check out the link provided in the description.